Delving into descriptive adjectives, painting with words. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of descriptive adjectives. If you've ever wondered how to enhance your descriptions and make your English more vivid and expressive, you're in the right place. First things first, what are descriptive adjectives? These are the words that add color, size, shape, and many more specific details to our nouns. They help us to create a more vivid picture in the reader's or listener's mind. For instance, instead of saying, the dog, you could use descriptive adjectives to say, the big, fluffy, brown dog. Now, the dog isn't just any dog. It's a big one, with fluffy fur, and it's brown. You've created a much more detailed image, haven't you? The primary function of descriptive adjectives is to enhance and specify the qualities of nouns. They serve to create a vivid image or to give precise information about the noun they're describing. Whether you're writing a story, discussing a concept, or giving directions, descriptive adjectives are your go-to tools for adding detail and depth. Now, on to usage. Descriptive adjectives typically come before the noun they modify. For example, in a tall tree, tall is the descriptive adjective modifying tree. However, they can also come after a linking verb. In the sky is blue, blue is the adjective describing sky. One more thing. You can use more than one descriptive adjective to describe a noun. When you do this, you need to pay attention to the order of adjectives. In English, we usually put opinion adjectives, like beautiful, before fact adjectives, like red. Let's practice. Can you enhance these sentences with descriptive adjectives? 1. The cat sat on the mat. 2. He handed her a flower. 3. She wore a dress. Feel free to pause the video and think about your answers. We've come to the end of our lesson on descriptive adjectives. With these tools in your toolbox, you're ready to paint vivid pictures with your words and make your English more expressive. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to sprinkle descriptive adjectives in your everyday English usage. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!